गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। टुडेज टॉपिक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस। इट मीन्स नरेशन पोर्शन इंट्रोगेटिव पोर्शन में पढ़ा रहे हैं क्लास 11th है बच्चों। टुडेज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस पर डिस्कस करना है। First of all, rules about reporting verb. Reporting verb, as you know, that reporting verb also changes when we change any sentences into indirect. In assertive sentences, reporting verb say often change tell, says, tells, said to, told. But in interrogative, say often change ask to, say to, also change into ask, says to, asks, said to, also change asked, are inquired. Inquire, inquire, inquires. Conjunction word, if or whether used between reporting verb and reported speech. Reported speech question word often used as conjunction word between reporting verb and reported speech. But it is essential to know in which sentences we often use as conjunction verb if or whether. Helping verb is used in reported speech. These sentences used mostly if or whether as a conjunction word between reporting verb and reported speech. pronoun tense based and other rules apply according to assertive sentence. Reported speech often written as assertive sentence examples are essential to understand proper apply of the rules. So in this first example, as given, he said to him, are you working hard in your study? You know, this portion is a reporting verb and this portion is reported speech. First rule apply as I told you in reporting verb. He said to Chen asked him, remove comma inverted commas and use as conjunction word if, and after that it change as assertive sentences. Here use you. It is known to all that you is a second person pronoun and often used according to subject given in reporting verb. So here use he in place of you, and according to he we often use helping verb. He was working hard in your as given in possessive case according to object, as he used often in possessive case is study. Okay, this sentence is indirect. But it is a questions where we use whether between reporting verb and reported speech. It is very easy. Where option is given in reported speech, we can use whether and this if. As the next example, I It is given before you. Hari said to them, do you like to play hockey or cricket? It is so known to us that in reported speech there are two options as against hockey or cricket. So here used as conjunction word whether between reporting word and reported speech. Now I change it into indirect verb. Hari asked them. Remove comma and inverted commas and use in place of whether. And after that, use here as subject. You know that second person often change according to given object or reporting verb. Here is given them, so you can change it of them as use here they as subject. According to tense, this sentence is given in present indefinite tense. So this sentence change into past indefinite tense. According to tense, main verb often change into second form. They like to play hockey or cricket. This sentence is in assertive, not in interrogative. But this sentence is given in interrogative in direct speech. But in indirect, this sentence is converted into assertive sentence. Okay. What differences between conjunction verb as he here given if in between the reporting verb and reported speech, but in place of whether given as conjunction verb between reporting verb and reported speech. You know that here use they in place of you because you know that you is second person pronoun often change according to object given in reporting verb. So here use in place of they, and the tense is given in present indefinite tense, and we know that this tense often change according to past indefinite tense. So here use the second form of the verb. So the sentence is as the Hari asked them whether they like to play hockey or cricket. Next sentence. My father said to him, what is your name? What is your name? The sentence is started question word what as given here question word. So as I told you that question word is used as a conjunction word between reporting verb and reported speech. So there is no need to conjunction word if or whether. Change into indirect sentence. Okay. My father asked him what word is given as interrogative or question word. What you as given possessive case. So it used according to object given in reporting verb. Here use him. Him also change in possessive case is name was. Use full stop last of the sentence. Okay. Next sentence. My friend says to him, where do you live now? Now also change into indirect verb. This sentence is given in direct verb, and this sentence is converted into indirect verb. This sentence is given direct verb. My friend says to change or ask him, where do you live? Where use here as conjunction word. You as given second person pronoun to often use according to given subject object of the reporting verb. Where he live then. Indirect. Do you know why is the tense is not changed? Because the reporting verb is given in present indifferent tense. As we know that if reporting verb is given in present tense or future tense, then given the tense in reported speech never change. So this sentence given in reported speech not change also. Okay. I hope that you will understand about rules and with the examples, and I hope that you will complete your exercise as I send you tomorrow, and or today you will send your homework hopefully. Thank you all of you.